Hi, today we will talk about replacement of iPhone 5C screen. This is a procedure that we do fairly often in our cell phone repair store in Vancouver called Smartcell Solutions, and we are on Commercial Drive. So this is fairly easy repair. I'll show you how we do it. First of all, I will disconnect the battery because I don't want power flowing while I work on the screen, because you never know. Now I'll disconnect the screen from here. This is the shield is out, so these are the connectors for the screen. And we don't need the case anymore. So now we will take out the parts from this one, because we need to transfer everything from this screen on the new screen. There are 4 screws here. They hold the shield. The shield is so that screen doesn't get damaged from the inside. Now I will take out the home button. And the front camera and the speaker.
No, don't walk too hard, man. It's not walking, man.
Okay, so now we'll take out this. And I'm about to take out the front camera here. And that's about it with the old screen. We don't need it anymore. And we are about to take a new screen. This is it. And we will put back everything like it was, but with a new screen. goes back. We check the click, working fine. Put back the front camera, the sensor, speaker goes back. And that's about it. Now we will test the new screen and see if it works properly. Pause the video to charge the phone a bit and then I'll continue. Okay, so we got some power in our phone and we will test now the functionality of the screen, whether everything is fine as it should be, and that's about it, I think. We'll test every button here. Okay, everything is working fine. Now we'll close the phone. Put back the shields so the connectors are firmly. So we don't want the screen disconnected on the first bump or something. First drop and you lose the screen. the screws. Check the home button, and that's about it. So you can have your phone fixed in about 10 to 15 minutes. This is fairly easy repair. We do it every day. So if you need, come visit us. Smartcell Solutions, Vancouver on the Drive. Thank you. Bye.